Day 15 of sanding my iPad until it reflects like a mirror. Today we try 1 million perfume. And now sandpaper again. In the comments of my last video, there was another big battle with many different incredibly strong communities from various countries. Especially strong this time were Germany, Hungary, Norway, Latvia, Finland, Belgium, Sweden, and Slovenia. I would have liked to add a new country to the iPad, but the Netherlands won back-to-back victories. Congratulations! So, to everyone else, give it your all this time and win against the Netherlands. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. And like the video so even more people can support their home country. Please suggest what I should sand and polish next. Do you have any ideas? The iPad is so dirty today, not that shiny. Okay, so let's give the winner, the Netherlands, its first tally mark. Put in the effort so you can win this time. Let's have a look at the iPad and I see you guys tomorrow at day 16.